we finished our breakfast at Banyan Cafe, and Gage got avocado toast. I got a breakfast sandwich and banana bread, and he got a scone too.
Still cool on the inside though.
Yeah, it was nice trying a new place. Wasn't our favorite place we've ever tried, but it was alright. So now we're just gonna go walk home, and we're gonna get ready and go for a walk at Boyd Hill.
Yep.
Hearts beating, wake up dreaming, run into the night, screaming, turn the magic on. Lights dimming, night swimming, what I like spinning, we can keep it casual. The night's calling, I don't care where we go, we're like a bright light blasting off. Speed shut.
Guys, wait, where is he? I always lose him on camera.
I think he's like facing that
Right?
way.
Is that him? Am I pointing to him? I can't even see. I really can't see on the
Let
camera.
me see, I did.
Wait, I think that's him. We found an owl. A big owl is up here. I wonder if we can see him from the other side. Okay, hold my phone, Gage. I see him. You guys, we found the owl. He's
After
right there.
20 minutes of searching.
He's right at the tip of my finger, staring straight down at us. That is so cool.
Let's spend the night together. Let's watch the stars turn on.